Hello, guys, and welcome to GenX Coding YouTube channel. Last week, I showed you how to download Python version 3.9.2. Today, I will be showing you how to download Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is another place where you can write code. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is go to code.visualstudio.com. Then we're going to go to this download tab, and then depending on what platform you're on, you're going to click the download button. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to click this button. Then you will see a pop-up down here which will download the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, click on it. Next, accept the agreement and click next. Now you can choose a location where you want it to install and then click next. After that, click next again and make sure to check all of these things, and then click next. And finally, click install. Now Visual Studio Code should be installing. It should only take about a minute depending on your internet connection. Once it is done, click Finish. Now Visual Studio Code should pop up. There you go. Now go to this tab over here and click this page which says New File. In there, type the name of your file, .py. Now I can show you that it's working by printing hello. Now we will click on this Run button and it prints hello. So it's working. Perfect. So that's how you download Visual Studio Code. Be sure to check out my next video as well, which will be coming very soon. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, GenX Coding. Bye.